Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will show you a new launch cloud mining website in this year. The name of this website is Greenhive. This website is new launch. You can mine this website for free and withdraw a good amount from here. There are many options for free mining on this website. Please watch this video completely. Hope you will benefit. So let's begin. I will provide this website link at the beginning of description box in this video. First of all, you press on this link, then you will come directly to this page. To start mining on this website, you must create an account here. Those who create a new account on this website will get 4.5 US dollar bonus, with which you can start mining on this website. To create an account on this website, press the register button. Then a sign up page will open in front of you. Here first you write your username and write your email address, and then write a strong password and write that password again for confirmation. Then fill in Google Captcha and press the create account button below. Your account will be created successfully. Your account will be logged in for directly for the first time. If you want to log in your account another time, you need to press on the human icon above. Then a login page will open in front of you. Here write your username and password, fill the captcha below and press the login button. Your account will be logged in and a dashboard will open in front of you. All your account information will be displayed in this dashboard. Here you will get a free mining plan of $4.5 as your register bonus. You will get 450 BHS power in this plan, through which you can do mining on this website. The most important thing in this website is BHS power. The more BHS power you have, the more you can earn profit by mining here. You can increase this BHS power by investing or free in this website. But I would recommend everyone to mine this website with the BHS power you get here for free. First, I will show you how to start mining in this website. Next to it, how to increase your BHS power for free. Then I will show you how to invest in this website and how to withdraw crypto from this website. At the end, I will give you a tips how to earn a lot of dollars for free in this website. So stay with this video. Hope it will be benefit for you. To start mining, scroll down to the bottom of this dashboard and you will see many crypto mining pool. Move the dot below the crypto you want to mine from left to right. Next you will see 100% return. This 100% means your total BHS power is mining on this website. If you press the I button of the pool in this which you will mine, you will see all the information of your mining pool. In this website you can increase your BHS power in two ways for free. The first is the reinvest system. You can reinvest here what you mine on this website. To reinvest below the crypto you will be mining, if you press the reinvest button, a checkout page will open in front of you. Write the amount here and press the reinvest button below. Then your amount will be reinvested successfully. You will see your BHS power increase on the above dashboard. The other is the bonus system. If you press the menu button above and press the bonus option, a bonus page will open in front of you. If you press the get bonus button here, you will get some amount of BHS power. You can claim this bonus every 6 hours. To invest in this website, first you press the menu button above and then select the deposit option below. Then a new deposit page will open in front of you. First you will select the crypto that you will deposit through crypto, and below you will write your deposit amount and USD amount will be shown next to it. Then press the deposit now button below. A checkout page will open in front of you. A deposit address is given here. Send the exact crypto amount from your wallet to this address. Your deposit will be successfully added within maximum 10 minutes of sending the amount. Then come back to the dashboard. You will see on the dashboard that your BHS power has increased and with your mining speed has also increased. It is very easy to withdraw from this website. There is a withdraw button under the crypto that you will be mining. If you press the withdraw button, a checkout page will open in front of you. Here you will press the receiving address of the same crypto from your wallet and the withdrawal amount will automatically appear below. You will delete some digits from last Then press the withdraw button below and your withdrawal processing will start. But before withdrawing, you must know about the minimum withdrawal requirement of this website. To know that, you have to press on the above menu button and press on FAQ button. Then if you scroll down, you will see deposit and withdraw option here. The minimum withdrawal amount is given in the minimum withdrawal requirement of this website. If you complete minimum withdrawal requirement, then you can withdraw from this website. The withdrawal request is usually processed within 5 to 30 minutes. In some cases, a withdrawal request can be processed within 48 hours, so don't worry. In this website, you can earn USD for free. Press the above menu button and press the affiliate option. Here is your referral link. You will share this link among your friends, family, and any social media platform. The more people you can register through this link, the more income you can make. If someone registers directly in this website through your link, then you will get 1 BHS power and your referral will be get 4.5 US dollar bonus. Here you will get your 2-level referral commission. The first level is if your referral invest in this website, you will get 15% referral commission of his total investment in USDT. The second level is if your referral refers someone and if that person invests in this website, then you will get 5% referral commission of his total investment in this website. You can directly withdraw this referral commission. A referral contest will start here. You have to join it if you want. To join, you just have to refer more and more. First prize 0.5 BTC, second prize 0.3 BTC, and third prize 0.2 BTC. Those who will be in the top 10 will get a special gift. The last date of this referral contest is 29 July. So refer more and win this contest. No more today. That was the short summary of this website. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. I have tried to let you know the details about this website in an easy way. I will appear with the payment proof video of this website very soon. You can join our Telegram channel for new update. If you like to watch more crypto mining and earning related video in the future, then you can press the subscribe button and join in our little family. Hope you will always be with us like a family. See you in a new video. Until then, stay good, stay healthy, and stay with us. Goodbye.